Chapter 1, Sloka 31. Nimittani cha pashyami, nimittani cha pashyami, nimittani cha pashyami, viparitani keshava, viparitani keshava, viparitani keshava, nimittani cha pashyami, viparitani keshava, निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव 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 न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि 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 हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.